Okay, I have my original remote and I have the replacement they sent me. And if you look at this dot, you'll see that's controlling the volume on my sound bar. If I use my original remote, you can see immediately it responds to me turning the volume up. And if I turn the volume down, it immediately responds to that. So if I want to go up, it's immediate. I want to go down, and one push is one little amount of volume change. Now, if I hit the volume up button on the new remote, 1, 2, 3, 3-second delay. If I turn the volume down, 1, 2, 3, 3-second delay. Again, I'll do it down again. 1, 2, 3, almost, so 2 to 3 seconds, which makes it hard to adjust.
Creeks and rivers and streams are way high there, so much more on the flood warning there, and a couple other storms popping up, all that in just a few minutes.
5 on Your Side is sponsored by Carroll House Furniture, because you like nice things.
Which means you didn't.
So the up and down still works, and the left still works, but the right button, most of the time, like, you have to like really hold it down for it to work. And I feel like it's gonna start giving out even more soon. So a new
This is my new remote. I can find things if I look very, very close, but because it's not printed on there very bright, I cannot see what buttons are for what, and that's my only difficulty. If the lights are off in the room while I'm watching television,
I got this universal remote control from OMAIC. Put the batteries in. The remote control works automatically. Universal Smart TV remote control.
Remote, directly out of package. I added batteries, that is all. And boom. I mean, it works without any problems. Yes, and we got 2 for $15.